This event is very special. We have a lineup of speakers that will be able to address all the issues associated, again, with the Affordable Care Act, but also the health and well-being of the workforce and families. We're going to have Sam Olens, who's the Attorney General for the state of Georgia, Congressman Tom Price, and the Insurance Commissioner for the state of Georgia, Ralph Hutchins, just as an example, to talk about the Affordable Health Care Act and why the state of Georgia did some of the things that it did to be successful with implementation. In addition to that, we have hospitals and doctor offices that supply healthcare services. And finally, we have some speakers who are very, very knowledgeable about the law and how to implement it successfully. And that includes David Bottoms and David Cole. We're very, very excited about that. It is our hope, and we plan for this, business leaders and individuals should walk away with a better knowledge of the Affordable Care Act and what's necessary to be in compliance, again, as well as constructing a plan for the health and well-being of their workforce. We have prepared a workbook, and it is our intent and expected outcome that people will walk away with a plan on what they can do as an organization or as individuals. We also hope people leave with a set of contacts that they can use after this event's over to further the objectives of this program.
The federal health care law is a very complex set of laws and regulations, and the hospital industry is only about 36% of where all people go to seek health care. So unless we bring all the players together who have an interest in delivering care and selling insurance and providing pharmaceuticals and other services, we can't really help the business community with the solutions that they need and the understanding in how to make the right decision for themselves and their employees. Healthcare is going to be an evolving process over the next 20 years, and so we all need to be working together day in and day out looking for the right solutions and helping each other with the answers.
It's really nice that the Cobb Chamber is putting on this event with all the healthcare providers and different lawmakers so that they can give us answers to a very confusing piece of legislation and we can have better health care. I wanted to attend this summit to get answers and to get information, and I hope to come away with a plan for my company to have the best health care for my employees.
Okay, well, the Affordable Care Act substantially changes the benefits for employees. It changes everything such as how many hours to be a full-time employee to be eligible for the health care. It changes the types of coverage that are permitted. So everything having to do with how you treat your employees, the type of coverage. You know, many companies now, for instance, had employees with high deductibles. That's no longer going to be valid. So everything is changing and the regulations are changing faster than the employer can keep up with it. So it's really essential that we have programs like today, that the employers are able to understand what the Act requires, that they're able to keep up with all the thousands and thousands of pages of regulations, and that at the end of the day, they try and still have happy employees and a legal policy in place.